Hey friends, Pritha here. Welcome to Glossy Space Interior, and today's video is about the renovation. So guys, you see this is a renovation project we have started in Hyderabad, Narsini. Now, I'll show you that what and all things we are going to do here. Here already you can see the residents, they are here, they are staying here, and still we are continuing our work. And here, according to our plan, we are going to make partition here. Very soon will be update about that. And here crockery unit up to 7 feet we have planned to do. And you can see this is the living area. We are going to do that two work, partition and crockery. And this is a kitchen which you can see with open shelves from builder side. It was there. Open shelves are there. See, everywhere you can see it's open shelves. So according to our plan, now we have to do with frame will do, and all the SS jali baskets we have to accommodate here, and even shutter will come there. So the total part will be now with shutter and drawers, and loft also we are going to cover. And this side also you can see a big storage is there. So this storage also we are going to totally cover with shutter. I mean, two part will divide it and we'll do all openable shutters. Now I'll take you to the rooms. You can see this is the bedroom. So in bedroom also we had like this shelves, like from builder side it was given. Cement shelves already it was there. So what we did, you can see the total framework was done. And now this is the sliding. So another sliding is going to come here. So like that, why I am showing you the unfinished one, because sometimes like if like this condition, like builder gives some cement shelves thing, so some customer they do have some confusion that whether this kind of look will come or not. Yeah, obviously I can say this kind of modern finishing can be given. So I'll show you the ultimate look of this project, so you can understand that we can convert any space magically. If you like this video, please share. Thank you.